Kublai UP baru kini hilongki khubor bam takusni. Namar bele election bat job ke BJP ha Bihar ke BJP Meghalaya kalaki wadeng da ke jinkmen bat jinkpen betai bom hakmat office jongka. Ha ke jing rakhi ke belalong menta kusni hak office jongka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Hashilong. U Meghalaya BJP President bat Rekman Momin ula kren shphang ke jing job jongka party ha ke election assembly ha Bihar.
जिंदाबाद 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 बीजेपी जिंदाबाद मोदी जी जिंदाबाद बीजेपी कांग्रेस भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम.
Oh, it's wonderful to see that the NDA has come back, and especially I am very happy that our BJP has crossed as a single largest party. In 2028, we will be giving you a very shocking result. Definitely, when Advaniji and our Bajpai, they were two during 1998. 84. So definitely by 2028, out of we have 2 MLA, we may increase it. Definitely you'll see the increasement. Because Congress, now it is clearly shown in Bihar that Congress is nowhere. They have only, I don't know, they may get 3 also. Now it's going on 3. So maybe now they make, they're on the single digit, yeah. That all whoever is there, wherever the form it is they are the part of NDA only. So that doesn't matter because they want to voice for the Northeast as a regional. So let them do it. But they are with us, and you have seen today's. I think I have seen that statement of our Chief Minister. He said he is with NDA.